Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Let's take a look again at the gold market. So yesterday once again gold has completed our next target. It's 12.11. It was really fast on a fundamental background. This gold market shows a very significant rally on intraday charts, and in general overall price behavior stands according to our expectation of the deep medium-term retracement. That's its normal technical behavior as a response on weekly reversal that has been hit months ago. Approximately, as you can see, in August market has hit this area. So that's why the 30% retracement is response on our but it's normal. So it's not even very significant action. That's why we still keep our medium-term perspective, medium-term scenario for the retracement to the 1240, 1250 area. Meantime, since this target is a bit extended for daily analysis, we will use some closer standing targets for the short-term trading, and in particular, if we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, now we could use the same ABCD pattern, but to take the conservative approach, we will fade a bit ABCD pattern, so we will use as a point, not the absolute low, but the area where the indeed upward action has started. So you can see market first has shown drop, retracement back, and right from this point upward action has started. That's why we used it as a point, particularly with these lows around 1170. So using this ABCD pattern, we're coming to the COP targets minor extension that's 1215, and mostly the 1215 corresponds to daily resistance. So we have the 1217 is daily resistance, and 1215 is very close to it. Besides, as you can see, the COP target stands above this top, where some grabs probably have been accumulated, and if market will take it out, this could become some acceleration. This market could fly right to 1217 area. Besides, using the absolute low here will give us the target approximately 1221. So somewhere it means that somewhere at 1217, 1220 it will be the destination point of this possible upward breakout. Breakout probably will follow because of this upward action that we see here, thrusting action, and recently looks very significant. It's really acceleration, and makes me think that the Polish scenario that we're talking about is still valid. So we have mentioned it already with this Russian rinse of these lows, first signs of the bullish context we saw here, and indeed market has just shows significant rally and turning to the upside action. So another issue that I would like to mention here, guys, is a kind of the grabber price action hint here on the 4-hour time frame chart. Although theoretically by letter we haven't got the grabber, guys, so here the few pips market hasn't hit it. On the next candle we again haven't got any grabbers. But guys, although this fluctuation with the MACD predictor line shows hasn't given us the clear grabber by theoretically, because no testing of the line has happened, but overall price behavior with this was sharp drop below, testing of the trend line, and fast acceleration up. This is very typical with the forming of the bullish grabber, and this makes me think that this top will be taken out, maybe today, maybe within the few sessions. But this overall price action that we see here, and especially here, makes me think that this is grabber sort of action, and market will take out this top. If market will take out this top, it means that the upward breakout is just a question of time, and this will happen very soon. So as a result, its overall price action is bullish because take a look how market responds to trend line. It's retested, it's triangle, retested, and shows upward action. So for a short-term perspective, guys, these lows becomes the crucial points and validation point. And while market stands above these lows, it keeps bullish ambition and gives chance on upward breakout. That's why we could focus only on this most recent swing for trading opportunities. And if you'll take on the hourly chart, so let's take a look at how it has happened. It's very interesting that yesterday, if you remember in the beginning of the session, we talked about ABC retracement to retesting of this line is 1202. Confidence support here is also standing. But market, as you can see, first has hit the XOP target by our ABCD pattern, and has shown retracing right back down to the area that we have specified second. Now, as I said, we could focus only on this most recent action. As you can see, it's developing higher, and keep an eye, keep watching for intraday fib levels where you could take the position. So maybe some minor catalyst triple to buy will be formed here or something of that sort. But currently, we could focus only on this most recent swing, trying to catch some retracement based only on this swing down, and watching for some minor intraday patterns, continuation patterns. One of them is most usual is regardless triple to buy, because I suspect that indeed market is coming higher, and this top will be taken out, and market will make the attempt of the breakout of the recent top on intraday charts. I mean these tops, this B point. And COP target stands right here, taking into consideration the strong rally that market has shown. Chance on this breakout is very significant. So that's our current view, what we see on the gold market. Let's see what we will get. So actually, theoretically, it could happen, of course, that we'll get kind of the ABCD down. This market will complete forming the catalyst triple to buy or something of that sort. Well, but currently, it's usually not the action that leads to the catalyst triple to buy, guys. This doesn't look like the retracement. This looks like the continuation of this rally. That's why I still probably would bet on the upward breakout rather than on a deeper retracement right now in the gold market.